Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you guys, I have another haul. I have a Sephora haul, and I have a Coach haul. So if you want to see the little bit of goodies that I have here on my table, then please keep watching. So I ordered something off of the Sephora website because if y'all don't know, Sephora has a sale selection on their Sephora.com website page, and they had a few things on sale that I was interested in. They had some Natasha Denona, they had some Pat McGrath, but of course I missed the other things that she had. But I was able to take advantage of one of her lipsticks because I never purchased any of her lipsticks before. I do have one of her lip glosses. This particular lipstick that I have, the original price is $40. And I got it for $19. The reason why I wanted to share because the packaging was so cute. Wait till y'all see the packaging. That's why I was like, okay, let me go ahead and add this in with my Coach unboxing just so y'all can see how cute the packaging is. Said I never ordered any of her lipsticks. Before I show you the Pat McGrath, I did order a Natasha Denona palette, and I didn't get the big palette because the big palettes retail for. The big palette prices are $129, and they were on sale on the Sephora website for $99. I didn't get that because I was like, okay, I don't know. I just didn't get it because I felt like that was a little too high. The smaller palette here, I think the original price is $40 something, and I think I paid $30 or $35 or something for it. I got it because I have this palette here that I really like, and this one here, I think the original price was $25 and I paid $12.50. So this one here is a lot bigger than this one. Also, I like the colors in this one, and this here is the cranberry palette. It's like that warm cranberry type colors, like, you know, fall type colors. And you guys, the packaging is amazing. Like, look at that, you guys. Look how beautiful that packaging is. Look at the back. And it's like nice heavy plastic. It's not like cheap or anything like that. Like this one here is also nice and heavy. It has a little bit of weight to it. I'm going to swatch because I'm sure there are some swatches on this. It's just too beautiful to swatch, you guys. But I will be doing a look with this particular palette. Not sure when, but yeah, I will be doing a look on this palette. Then I did also look on the website, and they are sold out, so I'm not sure if they're going to come back. So this is why I was saying, you guys, a lot of makeup, when they come out with all these new eyeshadow palettes, new foundations and stuff, I try to hold back on purchasing everything I see because, like, you know, like I said before, if you give it some time, eventually it will go on sale. Now, not everything will go on sale, but like that Pat McGrath, that foundation, it didn't go on sale, but they were throwing out like 20% off coupons, 10% off and stuff like that. So if you wait patiently, you can get what you want. Even the Natasha Denona palette, like I said, that palette retails for $129 and it's on sale for $99, which is a good price because I heard her full-size palettes are really good. But like I said, I just didn't want to purchase one only because I've been purchasing a lot of Coach bags, so that's where I've been kind of, you know, using my money towards as of now. So that was it for as the Natasha Denona palette. So I picked up a few samples. Now before, you were able to get like three, I think it was three, about four, but I knew you was able to get more than two. But now for some reason they only give you two options to get. They only give you two options for samples. So I just got this here perfume. I normally just pick perfume because, you know, I don't know where my, okay, yeah, like I said, I just picked the perfume samples because that's just easy, because I don't really do the foundation and all them other samples because it's just a little teeny bit of it. And then I also got the milk primer, and I did use some of my points because lately, because like I said, I haven't been purchasing a lot on Sephora website or Sephora period. So I accumulated a lot of points. So I was like, everybody's been hyping this up back when it was like really popular. So I was like, okay, instead of purchasing the full size, because like I said, I don't wear makeup all the time. So I was like, okay, let me try this and see how that works. And if I like it, I'll buy it, you know, full size when another sale is happening or whatever. And then last but not least, you guys, like, look at the packaging. I was just like, oh my goodness, I wasn't expecting it to look like this, because when I go into Lenox Mall or the one in Perimeter Mall, you know, they just come in like a little carton that you know, twist the string around it or whatever. I had no idea I was getting I think this is a special edition. Yeah, it says first edition limited release. So I don't know what that means, because like I said, I just started getting into Pat McGrath. And if my daughter was here, she probably would have this stuff everywhere. So it's a lot of stuff. So I may use this for picture purposes. Like, look, you guys. Oh my goodness. It feels so nice. And make sure I get that all off my hands. So here is your packaging. McManny. I think that's how you pronounce it. McManny. So since it came in this beautiful packaging, I don't get the little carton thing that it comes in. So that's fine. So here is your traditional black lipstick tube. Colors that were on sale, of course, was sold out, so I was only able to pick this one. Okay, the lipstick is not rolling up. No, see, that's a problem. Oh, what the F? Okay, that's a fail. I don't know what just happened, but oh my goodness, got a new one. Okay, so that was a fail. I can't even twirl this up, but not sure if you can see it. It's like a burgundy type of color. I can't twist it up, so that's a fail. So I'm gonna have to call Sephora to find out, you know, and you know what, I think it's sold out. So I don't know what they're going to do about that. Yeah, so that's a fail, but I'm not gonna take it out in the video. I want y'all to see that sometimes things happen. So okay, so I can't do anything with that, so we're gonna go ahead and skip past that, and we're gonna go into the unboxing. Well, not unboxing, unbagging, because there's no box. I went to the outlet yesterday, which was October the 21st. I saw this item in the Coach store, and I was just so excited to be able to grab one, because YouTube done hyped this bag up so much. I was like, okay, I need to find this bag ASAP. I see it on a lot of websites, but it was really, really expensive. And like I said, I'm not trying to pay $500-600 for a bag, even though I was loving the bag and everything like that when I was seeing people talk about it. But again, I didn't want to pay $500-600 to the outlet for some. Oh, I went to return something, because I hauled something here on this channel that I didn't like, so I ended up returning it. So when I was in there, I browsed through the store and I saw this Rogue 25, because I've been calling a lot of the outlets to find out if they had any, and everyone I called, they was like, no, we don't have any, we all sold out. Seeing this again, I wasn't coming in there to buy a Rogue, because like I said, every time I called, they always said they were sold out. But I happened to look on the wall where it's like the 60% off, which is like the retail stuff that comes in, that's not the 70% off. So when she showed me, you know, when I asked her for the price, I asked her to price this bag, like the original price. Wow, the original price for this bag is $650. You know, I ain't pay $650. So with the 60% off, it came up to $270 something, and then it was an extra 25% off. I didn't have the card, but the lady was nice enough to let me use the 25% off. I didn't ask about it. I did see it on the door, but like I said, I didn't purchase that. It was some type of breast cancer type of card you can purchase, and you can get 25% off, you know, a lot of stores at the outlet. So she was nice enough to let me use it. So with tax and everything, it came up to $208.65, and I was just like, oh my goodness, because I couldn't believe that, you know, it was that affordable. Because like I said, the one I was looking at was on Bloomingdale's, and it was, I think, $8.95 and it was on sale for like $5 something. It was still a little high for me. I didn't ever think I could get this robe for that cheap. I was happy I was, because you can buy it pre-loved, but I'm the type of person, if I can get it new, I'd rather get it new, if you get what I'm saying. So happy to get my hands on a robe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, you know, mess with the bag, play with it, and see how I like it. Because, like I said, I didn't open it, I didn't play with it or anything like that. I just purchased the bag because, like I said, even though everybody's been hyping it up, I want to try it out for myself and make sure I'm loving it. Show you that it did come with the have this. Now I was excited for this part because a lot of the Rogue 25s are not coming with both. Like the one I was looking at on the Coach outlet, it doesn't come with this, and it comes with this but not this. And I just thought, you know, this was just like the icing on the cake. You know, I mean, it still looks nice with just this, but it was like when I seen everybody having this on their bags, I was like, okay, I want a Rogue with, you know, this extra piece as well. So I was lucky enough to get this with that on there, because I don't know if that's the newer version of Rogues that's not coming with this. But and then again, I'm not sure if you can purchase these separately at the Coach store. If you can, let me know down in the comment section, because like I said, I don't know. It has your gunmetal rivets over here on the side of the bag, and then it has your little tea, what are these, tea flowers or tea something on the Coach tag right here. And then I like the fact that it has feet, because of the fact that I just like that noise when you know, sit your bag down. Guys, it also came with, where is it at? It came with a 1941 dust bag. And I was really excited about that because, you know, sometimes when you go to the Coach outlet, you sometimes don't get lucky with dust bags. So it do come with your 1941 dust bag. And the reason why I like the 1941 dust bags, because it's totally different than the original ones. And I'm going to show you. Here is the regular one. I mean, the regular one is not bad, but this one I like a lot. It's just real durable and it's just thick. And then it also have your thick pull strings on the bag. Here goes to one of my other Coaches. But let me show you the inside. And if you didn't know, it comes with 2 straps. Can carry it on your shoulder. Also carry it as a arm bag, which I like the fact that you have an option. My camera is so disrespectful. It done cut off because I ran out of memory on my card. I need to upgrade my cards. I think I have 65. I think I need to go up to the 100 and something gigs. But anyway, I forgot. But here's the inside of the bag. And I like the inside of it. Like I said, I don't remember. I don't know what this material is called. I remember watching a video and the lady said the button pocket was really hard to open. Right. Oh, there we go. Okay, I was about to say. So, yeah, you have your button pocket here. Then you also have your zipper pocket with the Coach tag here that gives your Coach information. I can't believe this bag was $6.50 and I got it for $2.08. It has your microfiber or suede on both sides of the bag to put my stuff in there and see how it looks. And then I also have a upcoming video on this wallet here, you guys. I love this wallet. This wallet here was one of my best Coach purchase. Like I was saying, this here is one of my best small leather good purchase from Coach. Like I said, this here I will be hot stamping. If I love the bag and decide to keep it, I think I'm going to take this and get this hot stamped as well. May put some little doodads on it, like go to the store and see. Ooh, excuse me, you guys, I was choking. So yeah, like I was saying, if I decide to keep this bag, I'm gonna go and get, you know, it hot stamped here and probably add some little doodads on there, you know, before you know, so if I do decide to keep it, it'll feel like it's a custom bag. You can go to Coach and add little stuff to it. Not sure what I would add, because I would actually have to take the bag down there and place the stuff on the bag to see how it will look before I actually pay for it. Once it's on there, it's on there. I'm not sure if they take it off, do it leave a hole in your bag or whatever, because I never got anything customized at the Coach store. At the Lenox Mall at the Coach store. So they do apply, you know, all the little bedazzle stuff on it, because when I was in there, he was showing me all the little stuff that they had, and it really wasn't that expensive. I think it gets more expensive when you start adding a whole bunch of stuff or overdo it with the bag, but I would just apply just a little something just to make this bag a Miss Tamika type of bag. My memory card is filling up, you guys, but if you like these types of videos, give this video a big thumbs up because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.